Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix mouse is lagging in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 on your PC or in your laptop and you're facing the issue that your mouse is lagging or it's not working properly, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to go to your settings app. In settings, just click on Bluetooth and devices, then click on mouse from here. Now in mouse, you just have to scroll down. And here you'll see a setting of scroll inactive windows when hovering over them. So you just have to disable this. Once you have disabled, just go up, and from here you can control your mouse speed. I'm gonna set this to default, then go back. Now here you just have to press Windows plus R, or you can directly right click on the start button and then go to run. And in this section you just have to enter main.cpl. Just enter that main.cpl. Once I've entered, press enter or click OK from here. Now in this section, just go to pointers and just scroll down. From here, you can change your pointer size, color, or shapes. So here I go to pointer options. You just have to make sure that this settings is disabled. If I enable this setting, it will multiply your mouse cursors, so it might happen lagging. So just disable this from here, then click on apply, then click on OK. Now once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to upgrade or update your mouse drivers. Now to do this, just search for device manager, and in device manager just go to mic and other pointing devices, click on this. And here's your mouse driver. Just right click on it, then click on update driver. Then click on search automatically for drivers. So it will automatically update your drivers. You can also do the same thing for other path. Just search for drivers. So if there will be any update available for your drivers, it will be updated. So after that, you might not get issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.